495.
All right. Well, yeah, we can see what's going on here. Keep an eye on it. There's the bell.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, look at that fucking dump. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this fucking NQ start sinking, and I was already in that damn short position. Hopefully not. Nvidia took a big pull right now. I had them up on my chart. Big pull. Big pull from 501 to 497. Big pull. Hourly chart coming down into the 20. Nvidia's got some space below 496.55. Again, I'm going to treat it as a little bit of a scalp here. This early off the bell, we're gonna see if I can even get this shit loaded up right. Biggs, you know, gotta work fast sometimes. Yeah, you gotta work fast sometimes.
Got it, dude.
Yeah. Gotta get it going. 495, 495, 495. So it broke the 495. So we're looking at we broke the previous hour low. So 496.40s. I want 495 strikes if this continues. That's what I want, Biggs. That's what I want.
Mob at Home Depot. This is a good little play.
You're gonna shit can that thing?
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, you might as well get rid of it. You already made some money on it.
Yeah, I held it through earnings. I mean, it made the move. I mean, I'll wait.
I mean, if you made some money on it, get rid of the thing.
Yeah, I made some money. I made like $500 on it.
Boy, Biggs.
I've been holding it for like a week and a half. I liked Caterpillars long, like for a common chart too.
Yeah.
It looks pretty good. But like you said, it's hard, man, because the indexes ran so much, and you got a lot of these laggers. So it's like you start jumping in all these fucking stocks, and then the index starts pulling back, and you get buried.
Yeah, I hear that.
Like to me, Apple, I feel like Apple's a little bit extended, but
they're all extended to the top side.
Yeah, right.
So,
but then you have other ones.
Apple's fucking pushing it up though.
Like a stock like Snow that's still fucking cracked. You know, like and other plays like PayPal still 50 fucking. You know,
these things are fucking. Apple's fucking punching over yesterday's highs.
Yeah.
But I like the pullback today though. I do like the pullback. I'm gonna try not letting my fucking bias kind of get to me, because I mean these damn bulls been squeezing shorts. So, but I mean, I'm definitely got my finger ready, you know, for some of these that are popping and then they get rejected. I'd love to take a little piece of that action. If they want to reject like something like Apple into like 188.60s, get me up there, 188 high 188s, and then start to reject, use those highs from pre-market as a stop, and then kind of just ride this thing back down. I like something like that. I'm going to keep that on watch going into the top of the hour. Tesla had a big flush and is getting bought back up right now. Let's see here, pushing off the 20 in the linear regression on the hourly chart. So a little bit of a pullback there.
Tesla's been flying too, man.
Yeah, so I'm going to keep an eye on Tesla. I'm just going to mark out some levels. That way I have them, you know, definitely to the downside, 236.45 to the downside on Tesla. Again, it's pushing up to the high side. So I'm just going to watch that level. We're going to see what that wants to do.
I got my hourly cues pinched right here, man. I feel like we could tread sideways for a while.
Yeah.
I like the cues look more to the downside, to be honest. Possibly all the way down to 385.20.
Think so.
Yeah, I mean, not that I'm going to take it right here, but yeah, I'm just. Yeah.
So the cues have a little bit of a double bottom here off of this 200 on a 5. We're gonna have to see what that wants to do. I think if we start breaking down that 200 on the 5-minute chart, we're gonna have some space here. So if we do get a little bit of a buy up here and then it starts to fail and starts to come back down, I think that's gonna be the move.
We'll keep an eye on too that 387, basically 388 was that top back in whatever.
Yeah.
This is right where we're at right here. We kind of blew by it, and then on my half hour, look at your half hour cue. Does that give you a red?
Yeah, it does. So you're talking about to the downside?
Yeah, I mean, like it put us back under that 388 right there at the open. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's.
I mean, just to show you. I mean, I'm not.
Yeah.
I ain't trying to get biased like you, but I'm just saying.
Yeah, no, I wanna short this son of a bitch. We got room down, man. We got room down.
That's what I mean. I got on my hourly. I got the 20 basically matched up with 385.23, which was the pre-market low. So.
You see the second NVIDIA candle right now?
Guys, NVIDIA's moving. Yeah, I'm in NVIDIA.
Thanks for yelling.
NVIDIA's moving. Who'd you say that to?
I don't know. Someone was talking about NVIDIA at the same time.
I said, do you see that second NVIDIA candle? And then you just screamed it.
Yeah, because I barely switched over to that chart. I'm gonna take a little bit of gains on that, but yeah. So again, I don't want to get caught here. You know, the Bulls have been fucking putting up a phenomenal job here, but so you know, I'm gonna mark out the levels here on the first hour. That NVIDIA through 494.50, 494.50 if it wants to get going. I mean, it might just keep punching down here in the first 30 minutes. It's got room down to 490, 491. So 490, 491.
Amazon also was pushing down.
We lose any levels there on Amazon? Significant?
Yesterday's close.
Okay, yeah, so Amazon also looks good too. 145, it's got room down to 144.30s. It's all the way down to the 5-minute linear regression though, so I would not chase the short here. I'd look for some type of bounce. Doesn't have to be a significant one. Look for some type of bounce, and then at the new hour candle, I'd look for that loss of this hour candle's low. Then we're really talking. That's what we're really talking about. So
AMD is sitting at yesterday's lows also right now.
So again, remember, stocks can't go lower unless they take out a previous day low. They can move down, but they can't go lower. So you want them to take out those previous day's lows. You want them to test. You want them to bounce or hold the bottom, and then you want to see like a fresh candle wash them out. So if we can get a fresh candle to wash them out, we're good. I do like AMD as well. AMD's got room down to like 117. This is a start of a little bit of a break, a little bit of a pause. You know, I started looking around fucking social media yesterday. I started seeing fucking emojis with rocket ships and moons all over the fucking place. That's not fucking good. You know, you get those guys tilted over there to that long side. You want to definitely start thinking that this run is over, because retail is always the last. They're the last ones to the party, right? So by the time they're getting happy, some of them make a little bit of money. But most of the time, those guys are late to the party. So our breakout on the Qs was on November the 2nd. Guys, it's November the 15th here. So we've been going up 2 straight weeks, and you're barely getting retail guys excited about going long now? You got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me, right? So again, it's always the rule of thumb is this, guys. The rule of thumb is this. The index reclaiming its 50-day moving average on a daily time frame, that is your opportunity to put risk back on the table and start going long, whether you're swinging or not, or you're day trading. It doesn't really matter. Like, where's Leo at? Leo's not in here, but I'm gonna hammer his ass right now, because Leo's getting real cocky over there with his Teslas and playing these 2-minute bounces and all this bullshit. The easier it is, guys, doesn't mean that you're a phenomenal trader. It doesn't mean that you found some magic strategy. All it means is that you're catching a hot market cycle. So the moment you start thinking that, here he is again, posting this fucking wick up again. What? Look at, as soon as I say it. So just $200. So just wait as a proof of concept. When this market is not hot like this and it's starting to pull back, watch for that. Oh, it didn't work. Oh, what happened here? Oh, blah, blah, blah. It's very, guys, let me just be real honest. We could have bought anything last week, the week before, held it, and we would have been up a shit ton. You could have bought anything yesterday, made money today. You could have bought anything on Monday, made money yesterday. You could have bought anything on Friday, made money Monday. Didn't matter. It's like that COVID, right? Or everything's going up, 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 up. So just be careful. Just be careful thinking that you know, we're just going to continue to ride higher. You can buy any type of dip. Once that thing pulls back, it might not come back to get you. Okay? That's all I'm saying. You know, we should have been long from the Qs from 363. Guys, we're at 386. Right? So.
When did you get in NVIDIA, by the way?
Tesla is barely trying to reclaim its daily 50-day moving average today. I got in Tesla early, brother. Early. I mean, NVIDIA early. NVIDIA early, man. NVIDIA early. Like, I don't know the exact time. I can
like
pull it up.
495s?
Yeah, I was in there. Yeah, I'm in 495s, yes.
Okay. Yeah, you were ahead of me.
So, I mean, I don't know. When we started to break down this 200-day moving average on a 5-minute time frame, I looked at that. I seen the linear down here at 495. That's why I took the 495s, and then we kind of bounced around, and now we've lost that area again. I'm probably just going to take some gains here, though. I took half size, so I want to take more.
I took my one contract off just to be safe. 120 a contract. So
there you go.
trying to respect my quantities better.
Yeah, for sure.
It's like, yeah, I mean, you talk about it, you're right. You get cocky and you get punched in the face, and you're like, I'll just size up 3x.
No, here he goes again, posting something else. I'm just saying, no, it might enter the NVIDIA scalp here long. See, look, it's gonna work until it doesn't, right? It's gonna work until it doesn't, and when it doesn't, guess what happens? You get flustered because you're like, well, shit, it's been working for 2 weeks. I've been made all this money. How come I'm not making any more money?
But
you know,
it works until it doesn't, and it works with like 1 contract, 2 contract.
Yeah,
if it doesn't work, you're 50 contract in.
Oh, of course, and that's what's gonna happen. You know, it's like, so I mean, Leo's been with me for a long time now. I'm not gonna fucking rag on the guy. I love the guy, but what I'm saying is he's being the pure definition of what everyone else is doing right now on social media. You know, and that's not what you want to do. I mean, I'm not saying we don't want to bounce still, but what I'm saying is we don't want to be thinking that we can just take every setup like that and it's going to always work, you know? So the more people that start talking like this, like where, you know, rocket ships, moons and all that stuff, guys, that's going to be the end of the easiness, right? It's going to be the end of the easiness or getting to it. getting to it, you know, so whatever. But I mean, hey, while it's working, make your money. That's the thing, make your money. You know, just have it in the back of your head though that when the tables flip and they turn, you know, we got to be ready to go to the other side here. We don't want our pants around our ankles, bigs, socks on, no pants on. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's like a personal story from his rookie year in baseball.
You know?
That's Andre. Go ahead.
Yeah, we don't want to be like my cousin Andre, pants around the ankles, still got your socks on and everything else, asleep under a tree, you know? Like that's not gonna cut it.
Oh, shoot.
So guys, I'm out of the Nvidia here. I'm just gonna take the gains on that. I was gonna hold one contract, but I don't really feel like it. I just want to play a little bit safer and see what we do here at the top of the hour. Still looking at the NQ holding this 200 SMA. It's kind of just been working its way down here at this floor. So below 932's got room down to 927 and then 919. That's what we would be looking for on the future side of things. If we do start to crack below, I would prefer to stay up here. I'd prefer to stay up here and then on the first hour candle kind of confirm. However, if I look at the 15-minute, because I kind of just been glancing at the 15-minute a lot lately as well. If we look at this 15-minute, if we do get this confirmation of 934, it's going to be a good little short position through 934, which is confirming now. It's confirming now, and it's kind of bouncing off this Bollinger Band. So that's going to have room to 904 on this leg down. I would like to probably try to be a part of this. If I can find my fucking tab for my futures. Where the fuck's my futures platform out? Oh, here it is.
AMD went through yesterday's low, but the bars are really small.
Yeah.
Whereas I say that, then there's a big 5-minute bar.
Order filled.
Yeah.
I mean, whereas I say that AMD does a 30-cent bar, which is a good AMD bar. Amazon also dropped all the way down to yesterday's numbers.
My ATR on a 15-minute time frame is 22 points. 22 points would take me to $17 on a 5. Getting real close to tagging this 200 SMA again. Looking at like 920 as a firmer support here off this 200. Amazon fucking broke through all the way, damn it.
AMD is also doing the same.
God darn it.
And Meta is also going towards its yesterday low. It's only like
I guess if we get confirmation of the God darn it. If we get confirmation of the Amazon lows right now, I mean we've still got some space into 143.70s, another dollar down. It's just the fucking move is so extended on the fucking 5-minute. It's gonna need some type of bounce first.
Look at AMD, it's already through.
AMD's already down there as well. Getting in a little bit of a
AMD, the 1 hour hit the what study is that?
Another thing I'd be careful too is because the damn bulls have been so strong, if they do wash us into like a daily 5-day moving average, I would be concerned about the snapback first. Every time so far in this last 2.5 week run up, we come into that 5 and then it snaps into the 5 and then it snaps. So if we close below the 5-day moving average today, tomorrow, we are short-sided bias, okay? Any gap up, any push higher off the bell, you're going to ignore, wait for the confirmation, and then you're going to take that short. So the bias will change for tomorrow if we close below the 5-day moving average today. Now, if we come down to the 5-day moving average today and it snaps back, that could be a good bounce spot. So
By the way, I think AMD move's done, dude.
AMD's sitting on my hourly 50.
It's sitting on the hourly on the On the 50, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, no,
It's a tough,
correct.
it's a
And
tough
it's
place
just,
to buy it there. This would be more
yeah, I
like a
mean,
bounce
the
back into 120.
Yeah,
the 20 on
someone
the
could
hourly to the
take the
50 is a
bounce. You
point and
could
a half.
Someone could take the bounce here on this AMD, right? And you can use like 118.30s or 117.75 as a stop. Your hard support, I would say, below this, like let's say you overshoot the 50 SMA, your overshoot would be like to 117.50s. That's your linear regression as well as this rising Bollinger Band. That's what I would be looking for on an overshoot. If we get there, that's a definite buy spot for a little intraday kind of play. One of those bigs plays, you know? Scrape something off the floor there. Just trying to take it for a little ride. Just keep an eye on those prices. At this point now, sit on your ass and wait for the hour candle to confirm. I do like Tesla at any point in time, not saying it has to be today, at any point in time we start to lose 236.5. I like that. That would also be taking us, if it happened today, from green to red. I like that move. Tesla's had some juice the last couple of days here, so it can definitely pull back and play with us a little bit. Again, if we want to take out the highs on Tesla, hourly chart looks clean. 4-hour chart, it's got room to like 243, and then over 243, 248. That 4-hour chart looks nice on Tesla if we want to hold this, you know, if the market does want to snap back, I'm trying to trap some of these shorts. But again, the sentiment on everyone is definitely long, right? So a lot of people right now are looking to buy the bounces. They're looking to buy these bounces. So when you have a shift that tilted to the long side here is when people tend to get in trouble. I'm just saying.
I mean, rocket ships.
Yeah, when you start seeing that kind of crap, the Nvidia is still going, guys. When you guys see that kind of crap, you know, pause a little bit. Put the brakes a little bit. Put the brakes.
The other thing that I can see too is a little bit of a just change in indexes. I mean, I could see the Qs kind of trading red for a few days while the IW. I mean, there's such a big gap between the IW and where the Qs are at. You know what I mean? With all these rate pauses and all these numbers coming out, it's going to favor those small caps.
Yeah.
So Nvidia literally just did yesterday's price range, high to low.
Because I mean, look at the small caps right now.
You got NQ.
You got Chewy up 3%. You got Tilray up 8%. You got, you know what I mean? You got all these small caps trying to catch up right now.
You got Qs losing yesterday's lows here, guys. Qs are losing yesterday's lows here.
Yeah.
AMD just dumped to 118 also.
Yeah. Look for that 117.5.
As I didn't get in it, so
No, for a pause.
okay. Man, Nvidia just blew.
Yep, should have held Nvidia, huh? Fucking A. Guys, NQ's lost the Qs have lost a 1 hour 20 SMA. Our next support is sitting at 870 here. 870. I'm currently in this fucking short position on the NAS. I want to take some profits here. 3 contracts, micros, 147 profit here. See if I can squeeze a little bit out of this. Nope. See what I want. I want 150. Why? I don't know. It just looks nice. 135, 136. Am I gonna get it? Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. Damn it, Biggs, give it to me.
I like Meta down to 331.
Come on. Oh, it snapped back. I'm out.
Order filled.
It took like 120 on that, guys. Out of that, I'm probably going to stop on the futures here today. Up 311.88. Trying to look at the stats here. Up 311.88. Again, this is a fresh combine that I'm doing. So I'm trying to really work something on this combine. This would be my third. If I pass this thing, it would be my third funded account. So I'm looking for Honestly, I'm just looking for days like today. Like just make 200, 300 and stop. If I get to that area, win or lose, stop. And see how long that actually takes me to fucking pass one of these combines doing that. Anyways, yeah, so look for the snapback here as we come into the first hour candle. Start looking at your hourly charts, right? That's what I'm going to start doing. Start looking at your hourly charts and then take those lows and then see how much room do you have into support, right? If we confirm, how much room do we have down? So on the NASDAQ side of things, 15,905 has room to 15,869, okay? We'll just take a walk around the park here and see exactly what everything else has here. The Tesla, that's the big one for me. I'll be sitting. It's going to take a little bit of time to develop, but it's 236.5. I'm looking for. That's got a shit ton of room down, at least 5 to 7 points down. Nvidia is probably still continuing to go. Went all the way to what I would have loved to hold it at, 488. Son of a bitch. Aaron, what is that contract trading at? Trading at $1,000 bucks.
$12. $12 with 490. I had the
bitch.
97s.
That's the shit I'm talking about, Aaron.
I know.
Fuck, I had 10 of them too, man. I had no reason to sell either. So guys, another thing too, I don't give a shit how long anyone's been trading. You know, I've talked to guys that have been trading 20 plus years and they still fuck up, right? I had no reason to get out of this Nvidia trade. No reason to get out of this Nvidia trade. But at the time, I was happy. I was like, let me just take this here. If it bounces, I don't want to give it back. You know, it's $500, but, you know, probably missed out on another 500 at least. You know, I sold way too fucking early. It is what it is. You know, you're never going to catch the whole move. It's just, are you doing the same thing every day, right? So it's like, if you're going to take these kind of profits every day, I'm talking to myself here. If you're going to take these profits every day, well, then you sure as shit better take these profits every day. Doesn't mean tomorrow, let me get in here and because I didn't hold Nvidia today, let me try to hold Tesla to tomorrow because I should have, if I would have held, I would have made more money. And then that's the move that doesn't continue and snaps me back. Just why my gains are about the same, you know, like, I mean, I would love to fucking juice this up a little bit, making $2,000 or $3,000 a pop, but I just don't have the fucking stamina for that. You know, I'm not Biggs. I've only got one kid. I don't got 7. Fuck. Still pushing down here. So again, hourly charts, you know, Nvidia's down. What is it down? $8. Nvidia's down $8. I'm gonna mark out the lows here.
Yeah, I cleared the range all the way back to 2 days ago where it closed.
486.65. 486.65 maybe would have room down to like 480. That would take Nvidia down 12. I could see that happening. I could definitely see that happening. 486.65. Keep an eye on that. AMD continuing to go. Look at that. Took out, overshot the 117.5, guys. That thing's down at 117.25. Next stop on this thing, if confirms, is 116 flat. 116 flat on AMD. Anyone in AMD now, perfect spot to take some profits off that thing. Don't know if anyone jumped it, but Meta's got room down to, I would say, Monday's highs, 332.50. 332.50. We're right now trading almost close to yesterday's lows on that. So just be careful if you're starting a short position here. You do have a little bit of support. You're going to need a fresh hour candle to confirm. And then you're looking at 332.5 as a potential profit taking zone. And then 331.30s is your 50 SMA on a 1 hour time frame. No room in Microsoft. No real room in Google. 133.61 on Google has room to 133. Little baby stock. S&P's S&P's 449.40s has room down to 448.60s. You got a dollar room there on the S&P's. If confirms. But again, bulls have been doing a fantastic job at trapping. So these are also great bounce spots. These levels that I'm giving are good bounce spots, right? So if you still want to try to ride the bull, you know, you definitely don't want to be buying at the highs. You want these pullbacks. What else do we got out there? What am I missing? This Tesla's fucking holding up, huh?
Meta, you're missing on Meta, man.
Are you in it? I know I just talked about that son of a bitch. You're in it?
Yeah. 331 I'm looking for. 331.50.
Oh boy.
How about that? If it gets to that, I'll be happy. I'm hoping we just, I mean, for me, what'd you lose? You lose any hourly on your Meta?
Oh yeah.
On that 10 o'clock? Yeah.
Oh, on the first one, the hourly, your 5 minute is at, it overshot the bottom linear regression line here, so you are at a little bounce spot. But yeah, I mean, the first hourly candle lost everything, 5, 10 linear and regression. It just stopped in the middle. It just stopped in the middle of the range. So here's the only thing though. Your bounce spot on an hourly chart's all the way back up to 336.
Yeah.
Okay. Your downside, I'm looking at 332.50s first, only because that's Monday's highs, and then I'm looking at the 331s.
All right.
Anything with a 331 on it.
Yeah, I didn't have that highs marked out.
Yeah,
I jumped on this late. I didn't really have this stock marked out, but I saw the Qs starting to pull, and I was looking for.
Here's where, again, for anyone else that's in here, here's like, because when we've been so bullish like this, and now you're starting to pull, you have to look for levels that are being lost to be able to find some trades, right? So on the Meta, probably if you're gonna put some risk on the table and you want to go short, the best probable entry on Meta was probably on the opening range hour candle when it started to confirm that low wick from pre-market and started to lose the 20 SMA. So when that happened, that price was
335
and a half, 335.99, 335.90s. When it started to lose that, you got to tell yourself, I need to be short. We got a lot of room down, and that way you can kind of like start that money printer on the way down with a little bit of stop because you've got like some supply ahead. So again,
right.
For those of you guys that are in the room with us, it's every day is not the same. It's not like we're just looking for, hey, what's the previous day high? What's the previous day low? It's not that simple. If it was that simple, I'd be a fucking gajillionaire, right? So it's a dynamic strategy. You have all these lines on your chart, right? You have all these supply and demand zones on your chart because you're trying to find the best possible area where you can potentially make money and you have a clear out, right? You have a clear out. But definitely look for the Meta. I mean, I would personally take profits somewhere in the 332s. That's just me being safe. So if we do get there, you know, definitely dump something. Definitely dump something if we get there. Something with a 332 on it.
I'm up about 8% right now.
Not a boy. You got Tesla still fucking hanging out here. Tesla's still hanging out here at the fucking highs, confirming a 20 play long, guys. Son of a bitch still wants to be strong, huh? I don't know. I might.
Old Tilray's having a nice day.
Is it?
Yeah, baby. You know, I got some money in my weed stock.
Yeah, you got to. You got to. I might bite a little bit on this Tesla, not much. I'm gonna see if I want to bite on this Tesla, Biggs. I don't know if I want to take a fucking chunk out of this thing, man. Let's see here.
Yeah, but Tesla's got only a half a buck until it hits the morning. The
For me, I got Qs trying to hold yesterday's highs right here. So we lose that, man. We got room down to 385.20 at least.
Yeah, I see that. I see that. Fucking Tesla's strong though, Biggs.
Oh yeah, I know.
4 hour
She
chart.
trades a little different.
She does. She trades on her own. She does what she wants to do. Big shit. Girl will suck your soul out of you. Maybe I'll take some over the first hour highs here.
I think the 442 high is definitely an issue with Tesla. Not much room until there.
Yeah, you know what I just feel though, like I should have taken the 20 play from 240.67 into right now 241.73. That was $1. I would have been out. You know what I'm saying? Aaron, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know, like that's what I'm saying. It's like yeah, the bigger move I'd like to see is getting over this 242s into 243.40s, which is a pre-market highs, taking some off there, holding a runner, seeing if we break. But I mean, I know the way I fucking trade. I would have taken a piece off already, you know? So, oh, fuck. The Bollinger Bands are getting tight here on the 5 on Tesla. I do have Tesla on my screen, guys. So for any of you guys watching my screen, that's what I've got up. I'll flip a buy right now, but I'm trying to see if I can make something dance for me. Just looking to dance a little bit, Biggs.
I'm more of a wallflower myself.
There you go. You kind of sit back and no wonder why you like picking the tops, picking the bottoms.
Beer in hand, yeah.
Yeah, beer in hand. Yeah. No wonder why you like sitting, picking those tops and bottoms. You just, hanging on the wall and striking while the iron is, when you feel is hot.
That's right.
Yeah. That's why I'm all over the place, Biggs. I'm here, I'm there, I'm on one side of the floor, I'm on the other. Back at the bar, back over here again. Anyway, the guys on YouTube who are watching, we got some viewers on YouTube. Any of you guys trading, or you guys just like listening and watching the screen? Just real curious.
So do you hear those guys?
Nah, they can just only type. But I just, I'd just love to hear, as I see more people come in, I just wonder, they just like listening to my voice because I can't stand it, but so guys, on the NQ, I'll be looking at 15,906 to the downside. I'd like a little bit of a bounce here. I like this bounce, 15,906. We've got a lot of room down. That would actually probably take us from green to red. I'm willing to bet on that. So if I'm willing to bet on something, I'm going to be putting my money where my fucking mouth is if we start to lose 15,906. And that'll be my last trade, win or lose. So take notes, right? Take notes. Already breaking my rules because I said I wanted to stop, right? The trade looks good though.
Morning, guys. Morning.
Morning, buddy.
Morning.
How is everyone doing?
Yeah, doing good.
Good.
Cool.
Who is that?
I don't want to cut you off, D.
Who is that?
When you have a time.
Fuck. Is that Leo?
Yeah, man.
All right, hey guys, everyone go off, dude. Everyone get off. Leo's on. Leo's on, dude. These guys just here to rub the shit in our faces right now. Good job, Leo. Good job. I was telling the guys earlier, be careful though, okay? Be careful because we're getting to a point.
Right.
We're getting to a point where, like I was telling the guys, we got everyone on social media posting moons and rocket ships and all kinds of stuff, right? Retail's always late to the party. So the bounces, the longs, everything's been extremely easy. I don't want you to take a play, this sometime this week, and then it doesn't work, and then you're like oversized, and you're like, shit, how come it's not working? It's been working. The bounce has been working.
Right, that's what I'm controlling. Yeah,
okay.
I'm trying to control myself.
Okay, yeah.
The thing is, where I wanted someone to talk to because I'm reaching a point where I'm feeling like I'm Superman, and I'm getting nervous.
What did
Anytime I feel like
guys?
that,
what did I just say? What did I just say 10 minutes ago? I just told these guys 10 minutes ago, people start feeling like they can't fucking lose and they start getting this, that, like everyone starts feeling like fucking Iron Man around here. So
because I can't,
yeah, just you are catching a great bull run the last 2 weeks.
right.
So everything
Right.
is easy. Everything is easy. It did, Leo, the last 2.5 weeks, it didn't matter. We could have bought at any price. I don't care. Any price. Just don't even look at the charts. Just buy something long. You would have made money. That's how easy it's been if you're going long, right? So again, so good thing that you're understanding that. So just understand that. And what I don't want you to do is oversize. So stay the same kind of position size.
Yes.
And
I keep pulling out. I'm not looking at a
Okay.
whole bunch. I keep it small. So
Okay.
that's a way of pulling myself.
okay. Yeah.
Yes, but the thing is though, why I've gotten really confident also too, because I'm not only just longing, I'm shorting, and
Okay.
I'm looking at areas it's like scalping is something I've never really wanted to do, but I'm just looking at certain, like, okay, this is it. We're going down. All right, this is it. We're gonna shoot back. But the
Uh-huh.
thing is, I'm not trying to get 15, 16 candles. No.
Yeah. You're just trying to take a little
Fine.
bit of it. Yeah.
Yes, as you can see.
Okay.
Understand?
But also you've had some trades that haven't worked, right?
One.
Okay.
It was
See,
one.
yeah. Out of how many?
I don't care about showing my loss. We're gonna lose.
No, of
That's
course.
one thing
But out of how many? Out of how many wins you think?
I need to go count it. Maybe about 7, 8.
Okay,
Maybe a little more.
you're hitting at like a 90%, 92, 95% hit rate. I mean, you're taking 7, 8, 9, 10 trades and you've only lost one of them. So think about it. So the thing is that when let's say right now, even though you can cut the loss, you don't what I'm saying is that when you do take one of those trades, as long as you can cut it, like make sure that you cut it, you're
That's
good.
the important-
But
Yes.
don't get to where like you're in the trade and then it's going against you and like, fuck, the last one worked. Let me hold it a little
Yeah.
longer. Don't do that. Don't do that.
That's what I'm getting better at. Cutting
Okay.
it, because you teach me that loss. I don't want to set stop losses no more. I'll just wait for the level, mark the level, and if it gets below that, I'm out.
Okay, perfect. Then you keep doing that.
Like you said, risk management is everything.
It
You
is
go to the
everything.
best trade, it's gonna go against you. What are you
Of
gonna
course.
do? Look at it go to zero? So,
Exactly.
I'm better at that.
Okay,
But,
yeah.
man.
Yeah, well, congratulations, man. I mean, I've been seeing the gains. You've been making money. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing. Just taking those gains and keep stacking it up, and just make sure you cut those losses when they don't work.
Yes, sir. Yes,
All right,
sir.
brother.
Yeah, man. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
I'll make a quick phone call.
All right, buddy. Biggs, what do you got for me? Got something?
Just fucking
You-
sitting here, man.
Meta?
Not much happening. I'm sitting in meta. Yeah, she's just bouncing around.
I see it. 5-minute chart. You're at the 5 SMA. You got a linear at 334.57.
Yeah. I'm watching the hourly, but yeah. Yeah.
You get one more push down here, that's going to be your take profit. You get a new low here. That'll be your take profit. God, I should have held the video longer.
Where's it at now?
Yeah, fucking. Well, I mean, it went down to 486, dude. I was in this thing at fucking 495, Biggs.
Yeah.
I was in it at 496, to be honest. As soon as we lost to 200, bro. And we came down to the linear regression. That was the first stop at 494-ish. And that's where I took the majority of my size off. So I really didn't have shit to play with, you know? And then fucking 10 minutes later, sunk. God darn it.
What's old Chewy doing right now? I fucking sold it.
Guys, I got a level on the NQ What is this? 906. 906. We got room down to 876. That would be a good spot. Take profits
There's your
on the way
gap.
down.
See that?
Hmm?
Look at the gap right now on the IWM. As far as just the disconnect,
It's up today.
these small caps are going to try and catch up. There's a huge lag, man. I mean,
Yeah.
they're like almost at the lows compared to where
It's
fucking
coming into
these
it.
are.
It's coming into its 200-day moving average on a daily. What breaking out?
Because I'm just looking at like this, like that Chewy. Like I cut it, but
Yeah,
again,
but what else do we
look
got?
at-
What else do we got over there that's moving? Like I don't even know the fucking hot names. Like what? Like
on that?
like
I
a
mean, shit.
I mean a firm would be considered a small capper, right? That thing's up about $1 today. The daily chart looks good. Like what?
Yeah, you got like
The weekly chart looks good on this thing too. Over
your
2750.
is one. Your
Guys, keep an eye on a firm this week to confirm last week's highs. 2720. That's got room to. The thing is, you guys are not going to keep an eye on it. That's the problem. 2730s has room to 31, guys. If we get one last like little leg up here on the small cappers and some of these fucking shittier stocks, 2730s. I'm gonna post a chart that way maybe someone looks at it. I don't know if it's gonna go or not, but I mean the fucking weekly chart looks good. Where the hell is it at? Where should I post this thing at? What else? Affirm. What else? I mean, you got shit stocks like Peloton up $1.
mm-hmm.
You know, like, come on. Penn's been moving. DraftKings real close to pre-market highs. DraftKings is on a fucking 3-week breakout, Biggs.
Yeah, man.
Huh.
Finally.
No fucking time, huh? I don't know if there's any meat left on that bone, but
No, I actually trimmed up on that thing.
fucking Boeing is up. Boeing is off that floor too. God damn it. 176 all the way to 210. That thing's right at its daily or linear regression. Little gap up today again, weekly over the 20. 223. I don't know, man. I just don't like the way these charts are starting to look. Like the higher they go up like this with no like real consolidation, it doesn't have a good look. Like you're just like buying, so now you're just buying a previous day high, but it's like our fucking support's way down, you know. If this, God forbid, this shit doesn't work, you're kind of fucked. Look at Caterpillar on the weekly chart. Caterpillar over 251.86 still has room to like 258.
Yo, D. Speaking of Caterpillar, I'm long on Deere.
Okay, Deere, I'll check that out.
2024 contract expiry. What's your thoughts on that?
Let's see.
I saw a level that I liked and I got in 3 contracts.
At what price? What time or what price was it?
Shit.
What were we at? We're trading at 380 right now.
Let me see where I got in. I got in at let's see.
We got room to 382.
Damn, I was thinking, all right, my thing is way out there. My fucking.
What are you at? Fucking 400?
My strike price. Yes.
400.
But you know, a nice run, earnings coming up, so I'm looking.
Three,
That's what I'm.
384, 391, and 400. Those are your levels.
Yes. So if it gets there, then you know it's all good.
Yeah, maybe 390s or 400 if you can get out there. It's got earnings when tomorrow? No, on the 20th.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Huh, yeah. I mean, yeah, no, it's just a hold. Yeah, it looks good. It's just a hold.
All right, but
Yeah.
I have time on it. So.
Yeah, you got time and the chart doesn't look bad. It's just a hold, yeah. See if it can touch those levels.
Right.
Yeah,
Oh man,
not bad. So guys, the NQ today, I don't know when this fucking happened, but I'm looking at the weekly chart. I don't know when the hell we touched that. Let me see here, 1 second. Oh, it was this morning in pre-market. We touched those highs. We touched those highs going back to July.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Those 388s.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. So fuck, we touched that, huh?
That was that half-hour hammer candle I was saying that put us back under that level. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We're talking.
Yeah, I remember you were talking about that. I just didn't know we. Huh. Okay.
Yo, D.
Yo.
I'm up $2,800 on a Tesla long, right? And
Yeah.
I'm just.
You're not gonna.
I don't know what.
And you don't want to take profits, huh?
The thing is, though, I don't want to be greedy. It doesn't matter the time.
It's one fucking contract.
No, it's 3.
Oh, we'll sell 2 of them. Shit.
Sell 2 of them, right?
Sell 2 of them. You have room to 245. That's your next stop on
That's what
Tesla's
I'm looking at.
245. Yeah, but I mean, fucking sell. We'll sell 1 then at least, dude. Yeah.
Let me listen to my boy, man. Let me listen to my
Yeah.
boy,
Take some
man.
fucking profits. Guys, the Tesla took out the 241.98, the 242s. I don't know if Aaron's still in here. I know we were looking at that fucking level. We have 243.50s coming in here on the pre-market highs on Tesla. God damn it, and I fucking missed it. But, you know, we can battle back though. We can battle.
Just killed Tesla earlier too, you know. Well, I make $250 on Tesla for the day in my wife's house, so.
Yeah, good.
That's nice. Yeah, that's not bad at all.
Yeah, good. So I'm looking at like 243.45 as the next potential stop here. That's pre-market highs on Tesla, guys. And then over that could touch 244.90s. So if you're in on that, for you, I mean, I would definitely sell something, dude. I would sell something.
I did. I just.
Okay, yeah, good. Yeah, good.
I was trying to make 100%, but 84%. Come on.
This
What's wrong with
guy.
me?
This guy. And what do you like? 84%, 100%. It's the same shit, man. It's a winning trade. Fuck, dude.
Back.
You know.
Yeah.
Because it'll be the time you want 100% when you're at 84 and you drop down to 30%.
Yep. And then you lose every damn thing, and you're like,
Yeah.
that hurt. You
Yeah.
can never go broke taking a profit. Yo, the team
That's
needs to hear
right.
this.
That's right. Take something.
Yeah, you could never go broke taking a profit, man. Boy, let me see. All right, I sold 1. I'm holding 2. All right, that feels good.
Well, finally back positive on ES Chop.
There you go.
Stopping along, got the 20 short, and then I just got 5 points on a 20 long.
There you go. Hey, Putt, how'd you do yesterday?
I golfed yesterday.
Yeah, I know. How'd you do?
Oh, good.
Yeah? What'd you shoot? What'd you score?
Went from the up tees and had 75.
Oh, there you go. Look at you. We're gonna have to get you.
Yeah.
Gonna have to get you in one of these tournaments out my way. Bring you in as a ringer.
Yeah, and it gets cold and wet, and the ball doesn't go anywhere. I'm like, screw it. I'm moving up a set of tees.
Yeah, I hear that.
Wow, I was gonna jump in that NVIDIA. I posted it, but I fucking anyway. I was too worried. I said, let me call my boy.
You were gonna take it. You were gonna take it long. Yeah, everything bounced.
Yeah. I
So
marked the level and he hit that level. But whatever, you can't catch everything. And I don't want to be greedy, man. Like, come on. But I don't know, D. Like I said, I am more confident, but I'm scared at the same time because at one point I'm like, is this luck? But I know what I'm looking for, and I don't want to think it's luck because you never want to be trading off of luck. That's stupid.
yeah. So you're here's how the best way I can explain it. You're looking at the right things. So have confidence. You see the right things. It's just the market is helping though. So so what the only problem is, like I said, when you take those plays and it doesn't work, your confidence can't go down because it didn't work, right? Once or twice. That doesn't mean anything. But you like the problem that people have is when they find something that's working and the market is helping and then it doesn't work and now they don't know what to do, so now they're holding losers, and it's like you don't want to do that. It just if it stops working, then just cut the trade, but you're still gonna catch them. But yeah.
Yeah, for real. All right, give me a minute, bro. Give me a minute. Yes, start.
This no one pick it up. So I leave this back on last night.
Sorry, guys. Pardon me.
Yeah, fucking put yourself on mute, Leo.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Fuck, dude. Oh boy. Nvidia had the bounce off the bottom off that 486, bounced right into the linear regression at 494. This is exactly like the breakdown spot. So again, breakdown, retest, coming all the way back. So breakdown, retest, right? Does it come back down? Start identifying that kind of shit. You gotta start looking at that kind of stuff. Even if you're not taking the trade, you want to like mentally play it out. Okay, I see where it came down to. This is the supply zone it hit. What did it do here? So that way you start to understand what you want to do later, like when you do see these plays set up again. Tesla's coming into the 243, guys. What in the hell here? Oh shit. Tesla's into those pre-market high levels and it's kind of having a little bit of trouble. NQ is at the 5-minute 50 SMA, is having a little bit of trouble. Biggs, this is like one of those spots where you take those shorts, man.
Mm-hmm.
Qs fall through 386. It's a short position, guys. Qs fall through 386. It's a short position. You got nothing down until 385. Same thing with this meta, guys. At 330, that 333.30s, it starts to lose that. It's going straight down to 332.50s. Now we've got our Bollinger Band matching up with those Monday highs, I believe it was, I had marked out. That looks good. Biggs, you still got a piece of that?
Yeah.
Yeah, just hang tight on.
Back in, I'm kind of slinging on it.
Just hang tight on.
I was
that
up
thing.
$120, and then
just hang tight on that thing.
Yeah, I'm back to even now, but
hang tight.
I'm playing it more off the hourly, man.
Yeah, hang tight on that thing.
I mean, because my hourly's putting out a candle here now on it, and then I lost the 20, so I could get a retest back up to 336, but as far as my chart looks like. 332 looks decent.
Order filled.
Jeez, man, I'm fucking small caps. Yeah, dude, my cues on my hourly looks shot right there. It lost to 10. Looks like it's the retest of 386.20 coming. But again, man, fucking
Looks like the NQ faked me out here.
On a long.
Yeah.
that
Yeah,
IWM
I'm
still cruising.
in the short. I'm in the short put.
For what reason?
The 5-minute confirmation of a 20 play.
Oh. So yeah, you were I was waiting to get take out on longs. You took the short.
Yeah. Just
My hourly set
because I
up
was
some short,
looking at like a rejection spot here. Like it was a definite rejection spot at that 200, you know, even though we overshot it. I mean, the 20, we bounced off the lows. We reclaimed the 200, reclaimed the 20, but it's just like, it was just setting up like a little bit of a higher, I mean, of a lower high is what I'm saying. So I'm gonna, oh shit, I'm up 130. I was gonna run that I don't know if anyone was looking at my screen, but that ATR was 17. I'm gonna double that. 17, 18. I'm gonna double that. I'm giving myself like a 40-point fucking risk on this trade to take some profits, but I might just fucking take. I might just cut a couple of them here.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna take it down. Oh shit. Whoops.
Order filled.
Whoops.
Order filled.
Okay, I wanted to take it down to 1. Damn it. I took it down to 1 and I bought 3 of them. Fucked it up. Yeah, like I had 3. I was trying to sell 2 and I ended up buying. I don't know. I fucking doubled my position size. Anyways, I have 1 contract short still, is what I'm saying. 1 contract short, and I am targeting the 906 lows here, and then if it can put in a new low, that's what I'm targeting on this. Again, it's 1 contract. It's fluttering around. It's not really up or down. It's fucking $10. It's nothing. Cup of coffee, right? But I'm gonna give it all the way up to this consolidation up here. All this consolidation, you know, at this high point 973. A big stop loss here, but I want to see if the market is going to have juice or it lost all the steam. I'm just going to let it run, to be honest. Guys, that Tesla's strong still. I don't know if anyone took that. I don't even know if Aaron's still here. He's gone already. That Tesla took out on the 1 hour chart, that level we were looking at, previous hours highs, that 242.25 coming up to, we were trying to play this into the 243.40s, which is pre-market highs. We're there now. So if you did take that trade and you're looking for a scalp and you want to take that dollar, this is your profit taking zone. So I'll just run a scenario by you. Let's say you took 3 contracts. I would definitely sell 2. I'm going to sell 2. I'm going to hold the last one. Good job, Todd. 1,300 in Apex evaluation account. Great job, buddy.
What?
Someone on YouTube is up 1,300.
Damn.
Yeah. 243.45 getting taken out here to the high side. I don't know if anyone's in that. I'm just trying to play by play that. I don't know if anyone took that. That thing's fucking breaking out here. 243.80s. Guys, I'm gonna sell most of this, probably 70-80% of this Tesla. Caught the 20 SMA rejection on the 2-minute chart. Good job, Todd. I haven't even looked at the 2-minute chart today. Let's see what the 2-minute chart was. What time was that at, Todd? $8:45 Central. Yep, I see it. Beautiful, beautiful. So Putz, Todd on YouTube took that 2-minute. If you look at your 2-minute chart, that 20 play that's set up around that 640, or excuse me, the 840, 845, between that time frame for you, Central Time.
On the NQ?
On the NQ, yeah, I took it short.
It's short.
Yeah, around he's in his truck driving, but it's around 8:45 your time, that entry there.
About the 20 SMA rejection on the 2-minute. So he's on the 2-minute.
Yeah, he was playing the 2-minute and got that 2-minute short. So for me, it's set up, 6:38 my time, started to confirm 6:40, by 6:45 candle, 6:46 candle, kind of put in a new low and then really washed out 6 minutes later. I'm not sure how much size he had on the table on that, but
Pretty good for 1,300.
yeah.
A lot of guys playing rejections.
Mm-hmm. Three minis, putt.
Damn.
Yeah. Hey Todd, what size eval you got over there, or funded account? What size you working with? $50K.
I'm running into a hassle with my Top Step deal.
Oh, what'd they tell you over there? Not gonna
Finally
let.
got back to me, and they canceled my account and closed it and gave me a refund.
Oh, did they?
And I,
And
sent
you-
emails.
And now
They
you,
say they have to do that because they can't switch things or platform in the system.
yeah, but now you can't get that deal anymore.
Well, I emailed them. I say, well, what do I do now? Because I think that code expired.
Mhm.
He said, well, just create another combine and
Mm-hmm.
let him know, and he'll
Oh, he'll get.
correct it back to that price.
Okay, cool. That'll be good. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. You gonna go with the Trader Vape?
Yeah, I'm gonna try that out.
I was listening to their live stream yesterday. They're trying to get that damn Top Step platform up next week, they said. You know what those SOBs got over there though, Putt? They kept talking about the tilt, right? The tilt. And I was like, what the hell are these son of a guns talking about, this tilt, when it's at 80, 20, 20, 80 or some shit? I think it's going to be on Top Step X, right? Top Step X. But the guys from Top Step, the guys who fucking work there, the owner and the other guys they got talking on stream, dude, they can see everyone who's on Top Step, right? All the orders, all the combines, all the funded accounts, they can see who's long and short. So they have it's called a tilt, and it's like an indicator or something that pulls up on the side. So when 80%, like when it's at 60, 70, 80%, when the people on Top Step are like at 70, 80%, let's say let's say, for example, the tilt's at 80% short, right? Hey, Todd, did you see that shit? So like if everyone right now on Top Step who's playing combines or funded is 80% long, they're going short, and they're just finding a reason, like a technical reason or something. So I'll justify it. Right now we're trapped on a 5-minute time frame at the 5 and 20, right? We haven't made a new high. We're making lower highs. But the tilt is at 80% long, like everyone's buying this dip. They're going against them. So, or vice versa. If it's 80%, 70% short, they're getting long here off this 20 and off this 10. They're going to use that. That's crazy, man. That's a fucking big game changer because you have to figure, right? If 90%, 80% of fucking retail traders lose, which they're wrong, like, right? Like what I was explaining this morning, these guys are wrong half the time. I mean, I got guys on social media with the fucking moons and the rocket ships yesterday. You guys are late to the party by 2 fucking weeks, right? You're late to the party. If you're trying to swing something now, you're an idiot. But what I'm saying is that if you know that the retail fails and they blow these accounts and they're wrong on 80% of their fucking moves, then you're fading their move. You're going with the 20%, right? And I caught that they said like, oh, we're not fading the 80%, we're just going with the 20%. Because obviously the 20% of people see something different that all the 80% don't see, and that's probably a reason why they're more profitable. Bullshit is what I'm saying, Putz. Just fade the fucking public. I mean, how fucking easy is that? Imagine that. So if you got the database, right? You got that database, you got that kind of info, which supposedly this thing's supposed to be on Top Step X, their platform. It's supposed to you're supposed to have that feature. But if you can see that data on what everyone's doing, and you just take the reverse move of that off your strategy or setup or whatever, you know, I mean, you're probably going to be right more than not. Now, of course, those guys are going to get paid sometimes, you know, but also they also said it's not like they're looking for like an all day move or something, but like they're looking for like, I think the owner of Top Step was saying like 20 points on the NQ is what he's looking for, 17 points, 15 points, you know, 20 points. So let's say the tilt was at 80% right now, 80% short, for example, and I have this 20 play long, I'll take this 20 play long and take my 15, 20 points. More than likely it's going to hit. You know what I'm saying? I think that's a pretty cool little tool they got there, if that's really available on that Top Step X.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, 50 Todd on YouTube, 50 SMA is definitely a game changer for swinging in longer term trades.
Yeah, I didn't take this NQ long because it's looking kind of choppy.
Yeah, I'm still sitting in that son of a bit short. I'm risking like $80 on this trade. Little baby trade, but and then this will probably be my last trade on the future side of things. This 5-minute setup here has got room to like 63s and it's got room to 73s. So 10 and 20 points. If you get anything over that, you can take your profits. We're still putting in these lower highs here. You know, we would have to break over this 50 SMA on a 5-minute time frame, close over that, hold it, and then start pushing higher. I do like the fades from here though. Again, not trying to put my personal bias too forward, but I like the washout, I like the bounce, I like the rejection for continuation back to the downside. That's how I see it playing out in my head. Again, could be wrong. The only thing that's fucking screaming is Tesla. Guys, no one took the Tesla. That thing is screaming 245.77. We were looking for 243.5. That thing's still up. Aaron's gonna be fucking pissed. He wanted that trade. He wanted that trade, man. The only thing that sucks for Aaron, man, that guy's got to take off, start taking the kids to school. He's got to get to work. He's only got like the first 30 minutes. And I'm like, dude, my plays are like literally right at that 30-minute mark. Like that's what you're looking for, is that first 30 minutes to like digest. That sucks. I'm gonna call him out on Discord and see if he got in that. I've got to take these Tesla gains. I wouldn't even feel comfortable if I didn't. Guys, I'm out of Tesla. NQ squeezing the shit out of my short here. $76. I got a 76.25 stop loss on this thing. Should actually move up to 77. What's fucking $2, right? But that 20 SMA play from the 53s went right into where we were talking about 63s and then 73s.
Freaking, of course, I stay out and it gets the 1-to-1.
Mm-hmm.
God bless it.
We literally missed my stop by about 3 ticks. Be pretty sweet if this thing pulled all the way back for me, but it's probably not going to happen. Doesn't really happen to guys like me, you know. You know how that goes, Biggs. That kind of shit doesn't happen for guys like us. Run my stop right now. NVIDIA getting rejected as 5-minute 20 SMA. Same thing with Meta. Same thing with AMD. I do like the AMD short.
Yeah, it's come up there like 6 times at 119 area.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this fucking test is gonna put a new high of day. Biggs, you still in the meta?
Yeah, man.
What are you thinking about a stop? I might jump in on this.
I mean, I got it. There's a lot on the 5, but I mean, I had it on my hourly as always a potential bounce back up into
36s.
Yep.
That's at 200.
36.12.
That's at 200. I'm probably gonna short at the 200 bigs
Yeah. Well,
if it gets there. If not,
man.
yeah. If not, I'll take the short below 334.60s below this linear regression here, previous 2 5-minute candles, and then use this top wick at,
Yeah.
or at 335.60 as a stop. Either
Yeah,
or.
average.
Yeah.
I don't want to average nothing. I'm still all right. I'm only down $60 on them.
Not a boy.
It's been bouncing around on me.
Not a boy, Biggs.
Do you see any possible room up for the NQ after
Mm,
the 975? I guess 977.
yeah, I mean, yeah, over 77, 75s. Yeah, it needs to close over that, and then we need to confirm whatever high that is. That's been a resistance spot going all the way back to pre-market. It's actually like 83, to be honest.
Thank you. So after 83,
Yeah, if we break like 77s, 75, 76s, if we break that and then it goes and it shoots up to 83s, any confirmation over 83s is your go. As of right now, this is just supply zone for continuation to the back down to the bottom of the range. So yeah, that's what you're waiting for.
confirmation, a candle closing over the 83 or just going over the 83.
Yeah, you want to see us break 70s, 77s, 78s. You'd like to see us break the 83s and then confirmation over the 83s.
Thanks.
It doesn't have a lot of room though. Has room to like 100, 110 on the daily time frame. So think scalp. And to the short side, I like 15906 or a loss of the 20 and 200 confirmation. So close below the 20, the 200, confirmation on the 20 play short into 906, hold a runner, break 906. It's nothing but open skies. I'm still sitting short, but I'm out over the 78, 79s. I don't know, I got my stop loss somewhere up there. I'm just going to let this ride until either take profit or stop loss. And this will be my last trade on the NQ. Should still finish up, I think, $300 on this combine, more or less. Boom. Andre got his paycheck from Apex. So for all you dudes out there that think that fucking these prop firms don't pay, just posted his bank deposit from Apex. Biggs, I'm gonna take a little bit of this meta with you. I'm gonna grab a coffee. Can you shoot me a message if this thing breaks that 200?
Yeah.
All right, buddy.
You mean to the top side?
Yeah, to the top side. Yeah, if we get over that 200, I'm gonna get out. Guys, I'll be back in a little bit. I'm gonna go get a cup of coffee. Again, I got that short position running on the NQ. I got a short position running on Meta. Currently, all other positions are closed. Tesla and Nvidia have been closed out for gains. So again, playing with Meta on house money, playing with futures on house money. Nothing's really interesting me right now until we either break lows or we start breaking highs, which is a long ways up. So I'll be back in a little bit.